Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a very quick recipe which is blueberry pie. This is a very good addition to your Christmas table. Firstly, we are going to blind bake our pastry. Here I have my pie dish which I put in spray and cook to it, and thereafter I'm going to use today's short crust pastry. For my blind bake, I'm going to use some rice and I'm going to line it up with some baking paper, and then I'm going to use a little bit flour to my countertop to work with my pastry. Firstly, we are going to roll out our pastry. You have to bring your pastry to room temperature so it will be easy for you to handle. I'm just going to sprinkle some flour onto the surface and let this lay. I'm just going to roll this pastry out a little bit so it will be able to go into my pie dish. So this is the thinness that I want, and for it to fit into the pie dish. So using my rolling pin, just roll up the dough and then pick it up. Just roll this over my pie dish. I'm going to push my pastry into my baking bowl, and where the pastry cannot reach, I'm going to patch. I pushed my short crust pastry firmly into my pie dish. So now with a knife, I'm going to cut accordingly to the pie dish. Here you go. Pranesh helped me to cut and patch. So to this, I am going to use a fork and create little holes to the bottom. I am keeping this piece of my pastry for decorating the top of the pie. I'm going to add in my baking paper, and thereafter using rice so we can press the pastry not to rise. Now I'm going to put this into my freezer for 30 minutes to rest. I managed to get 3 strips out of the remainder of this pastry, but I had a little bit of cuts from another pastry, and I was able to take out another 4 strips from that offcut and also manage to get 3 stars. I will put the strips upon a tray and let it rest in the fridge in the meantime, and I'm going to use these strips to decorate my pie on top. For my pie, I am going to make my blueberry filling. Here I have a small pot on moderate heat. I am using 500 grams of whole blueberries. I'm just going to drop it into my warm pot. This is just to pre-cook my berries from frozen. I'm going to give this a nice mix and let it melt a little. While my blueberries are warming up, I'm just going to switch my oven on to 180 degrees to preheat. To my blueberry, I am going to add half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, and 1 tablespoon of maizena. My blueberries has defrosted and it's coming to temperature. So I'm going to add in my rest of the ingredient, which is the cinnamon powder, my 3/4 cup of brown sugar, and I also put my stove on very low. I'm just going to dust in my maizena on top. I will give this a gentle mix because I want my blueberries to stay whole. I'm also going to add in my teaspoon of lemon juice, and mix well and allow it to cook on low. 2 minutes has passed and my blueberries has come to a good simmer and my sugar has dissolved. So I'm going to switch my stove off. This don't have to cook completely because it will bake in the pie. 30 minutes has passed and this is my pastry from the deep freeze. I'm gonna pop it into the oven for 30 minutes so it can bake. "30 minutes has passed and I'm going to take my pastry off the oven. This was my blind bake. Now I am ready to fill my blueberry to the pastry. This gravy will thicken up when it's baking. I will just label these fruits. And now I'm ready to put my strips. Now bring over the strip and put another strip. We will carry on with this method, in and out. Here's the in and out method, and we take in the extra pastry to create an edge. We created a lattice. Here I have a tablespoon of butter, which I'm just going to add on top. I'm going to place my stars out of the existing layer. I've got 3 stars here, one for each of my grandchildren. I have 3 grandchildren. I am ready to pop this back into the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. "30 minutes has passed and my pie is done, so I'm going to remove it from the oven. For now, this is very hot, so we're going to allow it to cool. My blueberry pie is completely cool, so now I'm just going to sprinkle my icing sugar on top. There you are, your lovely looking blueberry pie, and we are ready to serve. Here you go, a lovely slice of blueberry pie served with some ice cream on the side. This will make a lovely dessert for your Christmas table. I hope you'll give this one a try and enjoy.